I'll show you how to take apart a modern sprayer. It's not as obvious as it may seem. When you look at some of these pieces, there's no obvious screws or how do you pull this thing apart. The last thing you want to do is like pull on something, break it, and say, oh, that's how it comes off. If you wanted to clean this nozzle, you'll be surprised how this thing comes apart. The first thing that's not so obvious is this little button has to come off. You take a screwdriver and pry it off, and I'll show you what's underneath. You can see it snaps apart here, and there's a little ball joint right here that it snaps onto. This little switch in here, you'll need to take a screwdriver and pull it to the side. It only goes in one direction, but you can see that it comes all the way to the side, then it'll pop out. You just need to get underneath it, and there it is. This next part is a little bit frustrating. There's nothing to indicate that this would screw out, but if you can get a hold of it and screw it, there it is. Now that you've got all that out, push here and look, the entire piece comes out. Again, no indication on how this next piece comes out, but it threads out. Now finally, at last, you can pull your screen out and get everything all cleaned up and scrubbed up. That's how a lot of these modern sprayers come apart.